Okay, so we're looking at the 1440, which is the overnight in the S&P 500 E-mini futures, the yes. And what we are seeing is that after our second move down, we had a 30-point move from 1460 to 1428, and then another 30 move from 1431 down to 1401. We have what is called a spinning top, which is a doji, which closed actually lower than the open. And then today we've opened at 1416, which gave us a 10-point gap, and we are just literally just right off of that right now at 1408. If we end the day here, this will give us price failure to the upside and what looks like a bear flag, which on Friday we could see a sell-off down to 1385 and then 1363 if it's going to be a big day. Our next chart is 60-minute. 60-minute shows a point of control at 1410 and a quarter. We broke the 50 moving average and are now headed down to close our gap at 1405 and a quarter or 1405.75. See, I've got a target here. And then once we hit that, if it holds at 1405, then we can look for a reversal and a target around 1421, 1422, which is our second resistance. First resistance 14.50, second resistance at 14.21, 14.22. That is on the 60-minute chart. That means we're going to have to break back up through the 50 at 14.10, where our port of control is, and then move on. Now, if we close today around 1404.75 or lower, then we are going to look for Friday for a sell-off or a move down and break that 1400 psychological support. Now let's look at one more chart, a 5-minute chart, see what we've got on the day. 1410 again is a point of control, so the sellers are in control right now. It is weakening. You look at 4:15 this morning, we had support here at around 1404.75, 1405. Again, confirming what we saw on the longer term charts. If we get a bounce off of here, we will have an inverted head and shoulders. And if we close above 1414, then we'll look tomorrow for a continuation to the upside. And that is our short-term trading for Thursday and for the open on Friday.